Gaming channel revenue. I want to show you some statistics, boys and girls. This is a small channel, nothing amazing. I get about 30 to 60k views per month, and this is how much I've earned month by month. As you can see, I started off getting about 30, like I said, 30k, 20k, 19k. I think that was my lowest month. No, actually 17k. Then it gradually started increasing again. That is because of the game that I was playing. The popularity increased, so 60k. Then I started expanding, and this was my highest earning month. So now I'm gonna show you what the revenue looks like. So estimated revenue, we started with $52, 44, 51, 36. This does not accurately reflect because I was getting less views, but people were donating, so that does not accurately reflect these numbers. So like $40, I was getting paid. You pretty much need $100 or 70 euro to get paid per month. So I was getting paid every 2 months. And my highest earning month was $169. That is the month I got over 100k views in a single month. So yeah, it has been gradually going down again, unfortunately, but that's just how it fluctuates. Now I wanna go into the revenue tab and basically show you guys the RPM and CPM. As you can see, the RPM is not really high. That is because many people are making gaming videos, and advertisers generally don't pay that much for gaming videos. Now, if you're a bigger channel and you get more views, chances are you get sponsorships, stuff like that. Advertisers will pay more to play ads on your channel, but generally here on my small gaming channel, this is how much I earn. So the CPM is usually really high around November and December because holidays, people are buying stuff. And then the RPM is pretty much a solid. Now, if you see these spikes here, I want to show you. These spikes are not accurate at all. These spikes are pretty much people donating through Super Chat, through, what do you call it? Channel memberships. So yeah, these spikes are not accurate at all, I think. So yeah guys, this is the RPM, $1.69, which is really low. There are RPMs which get about $30, even more, $60 I think is the highest RPM that I've seen. But since we're gamers, we don't deserve money. $1.69. The playback CPM, this is how much advertisers pay YouTube before they take their cut, about $5. So yeah guys, this is how much I've made in the last year for 500,000 views, $882. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. Make sure you like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.